All right, we are officially starting the move to Austin, Texas. We have met with our landlord, handed over our keys. Pod has been picked up. It came 2-3 hours ago. We have cleaned everything. We have the cats in the carrier inside. We're gonna grab them, put them in the car, and starting the road trip. Where are we driving to today?
Somewhere in Virginia, that's all I can say.
Somewhere in Virginia. It is currently Wednesday, June 23rd. We are hoping to be in Austin on Saturday, June 26th. If you are curious about our packing process with the pod, go back and watch the last video, but for now, we gotta get on the road. Day one, are you ducking?
Yeah, sort of.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Day one of the road trip complete. We drove to Blacksburg, Virginia, which it took about 5.5 hours, but there was, you know, some traffic. Kitties did a great job. They're a little scared to come out right now, but they apparently didn't really meow at all. We did not end up giving them any kind of sedative. After doing some more research, we decided just not to, and they did a phenomenal job.
They didn't need a sedative. They took a nap the whole time.
We are, however, starving because it's currently about 9:30 and we have not eaten since about 1 o'clock. So we're gonna go get some food and then we're gonna get to bed because we have another day of driving tomorrow. But quick little road trip hack for you. And I'm curious to see if Billy did the same thing. Especially toward the end when I really had to go to the bathroom, I started looking at the GPS and I could see like the distance that I had left on the current road. I could see the total time left and the total distance left. I started playing games with myself where it's like, okay, I'm going to, like, let's just get to the next 15 minutes. So instead of an hour left, it's 45 minutes. And then from there, it's like, okay, when the distance gets down from 57 miles to 50 miles, it's kind of like how I used to do marathon training. Did you do that at all?
Yeah, sort of.
Sort of.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we will catch up with you tomorrow. Day 2 is about to get underway. We are driving from Blacksburg, Virginia to Chattanooga, Tennessee, where Billy's dad lives. So we're gonna meet up with him tonight, have dinner. I think his aunt is also coming, is that correct? So 5-ish hours today. We're leaving around 9:30, so we should be there like mid-afternoon. Fingers crossed that the rest of the trip goes as smoothly as it has so far because no hiccups. We got a good night's rest last night because we've been sleeping on an air mattress the past couple nights and I'm feeling good. We are officially in Tennessee. Do you want to tell them about our little tradition?
Yeah, every time we go past the sign that says welcome to this state, we honk the horn.
Did you notice that there was like a cop right in front?
Yeah, I did, but I gave a little toot.
It is now Friday, so last night when we got to Billy's dad, I didn't really vlog. I wanted just to enjoy the time with family. We went out to eat and then came back, just kind of talked and then went to bed. It is about 9 a.m. We are getting on the road. Today we are driving from Chattanooga, Tennessee to Shreveport, Louisiana. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. It's about a 9-hour drive, which will be the longest of all the days. We were going to stop in Jackson, Mississippi, which would have made it only about 6.5 hours, but we decided we'd rather drive longer today so that tomorrow we can get there earlier. This is gonna end up being the most pointless vlog ever because it's just me in the car day after day after day.
After day after day.
After day. But, you know, if something eventful does happen, I will be vlogging, so it's fine. All right, we are in Mississippi. I think we're in Meridian. We drove about 4.5 hours. We stopped at the 3-hour mark for the bathroom and then got back on the road. We just stopped at a Subway and we're eating in separate cars. So Billy's in his car eating because we each have stuff in all of our seats, so we can't sit together in the car, and we didn't want to eat inside because of the cats. But after we finish eating, we're gonna drive the rest of the way to Shreveport. We might have to stop and use the bathroom maybe one more time. I've drank a lot of liquids today between coffee and energy drinks and water and all that, but I'm actually feeling pretty good today. My body, I feel like, is adjusting to being in the car. I'm feeling kind of old because my hip and my back keeps hurting, but so far today I'm actually feeling very good. All right, day 3 of the road trip is officially done. We have drove a little over 19 hours out of a total of 24 hours. We are in Shreveport, Louisiana. We arrived around 6:30 p.m. I felt like we made very good time. We checked in the hotel, went and grabbed dinner, and tomorrow we have the last 4 hours and 45 minutes, which we're very anxious just to get to the house. So I think we're gonna get up early, get that last part of the drive done. I've obviously not been vlogging a ton because my vlog camera has kind of not fully broken, but the screen on the back has become like detached from where it normally is, so it's like dangling by a thread, and that is making vlogging a little bit more difficult. Plus, obviously, we're literally just in the car, not really doing much. But I will check in with you tomorrow morning before we get on the road for the last trek. All right, we are getting gas, and then we will get on the road, but there's, oh, the humidity, hold on.
Oh, the humidity.
He just wanted to throw that in. There are some dark clouds. I don't know if you all can see them, so we're gonna try to outrun the rain today. Fingers crossed. We have officially made it home, and we were greeted by a ton of boxes, and that's not even all of them because Billy's cousin has already made 2 trips into the house with stuff over the past week. So, thanks Amazon. So we've officially started moving in. We brought with us extra bags of clothes that we are leaving here. So, hey, we've moved into our house.
We started the process.
All right, that's gonna wrap up this vlog because obviously we have a ton to do. Is there a bug?
Yeah, there's a bug.
Okay. We are both starving. It's almost 1 o'clock. We haven't eaten yet today. So we're gonna carry all those boxes inside, get everything out of our cars, bring that in, go get food, and then start putting our house together. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. If there's something specific you want to see, like, I don't know, pantry organization, leave a comment and let me know. That way I make sure I give you all what you are desiring. And until next time, thank you for watching. I love you so much.
Don't forget to put your positive pants on.
Good job. And I'll catch you in the next one.